In Power BI, creating a date table is essential for time-based analysis and visualization. Here's how to get a date table effectively. Generate dates. In Power BI Desktop, go to the Modeling tab and select New Table. Use the DAX function Calendar or Calendar Auto to generate a range of dates. For example, add columns. Enhance the date table by adding additional columns such as year, month, quarter, day of the week, and fiscal periods. Use DAX functions like year, month, quarter, day, and weekday to extract these values from the date. Customize. Customize the date table to meet your specific requirements. Add columns for fiscal periods, holiday flags, or other relevant information. Mark as date table. In the Power BI model view, mark the date table as a date table by right-clicking on the table, selecting Mark as date table, and choosing the appropriate date column. Relationships. Establish relationships between the date table and other tables in your data model, ensuring proper filtering and aggregation based on dates. Usage. Utilize the date table in your reports and visuals for time-based analysis, trend analysis, and comparison over time.